Mira esto. Check this out. Guess what arrived today? This is the 48 quart portable car refrigerator. Your ultimate travel companion. Check it out. Good for your food, drinks, to keep them chilled or frozen. So let's open it. A ver qué tal. So check this out. Super cool. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Check this out. Look at how deep it is. Check it out. Here's a bottle opener. I can't wait to use this. This is perfect for summer, for gatherings, for camping, for pretty much anything. Okay, let's turn this baby on. Check it out. Left, right. So you can put it to your preference of how cold you like. Or if you like to freeze it, you can change it. You can put your snacks here. Check it out. I don't know if you can hear it, but super low. You can hear the refrigerator making it cold. So it has a measuring ruler right here on both sides. Check it out. Super cool. Perfect. Ready for summer. Let's use this baby. A ver qué tal. Let's charge it up and try it out.
Batteries are not included, so you can fit up to 2 batteries. Make sure you charge them, get them ready to go. Now that we got the battery, let's power this beast up. The 48 quart dual zone portable freezer is ready to chill from 4 to 68 Fahrenheit. Whether you're on the road, camping, or tailgating, check out how smooth it operates with telescopic handle and all turning wheels. Keep your drinks icy cold and your snacks fresh anytime, anywhere. Ready to level up your adventure? Grab yours today.